Want to save money and energy? Then start frying your food with air. Traditional fryers can be costly with their constant need for fresh oil, and conventional ovens can use up to 8 times the amount of energy that an air fryer uses. That's because it has to heat up a whole lot more space, and because the heat is all moving in one direction, up. While a microwave is much smaller in size, it still uses 6 times the amount of energy that an air fryer uses to cook the same amount of food. And there are a whole lot of studies out right now questioning how safe microwave food really is for us. And if there's even a question about it, why take the risk? Air fryers work wonderfully by heating up a small amount of space really quickly, and by stirring the air up inside the machine so that the heat is hitting your food from all directions. Plus, the best part about using an air fryer is your food tastes delicious. So whether you're frying up eggplant, cheese sticks, okra, or pizza rolls, you'll really enjoy it even more if you use an air fryer. So go out and get one today. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.